How to log into Target credit card account. Hi guys, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the steps to log into your Target credit card account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of your web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then type in Target credit card login in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites. You need to click on the initial option that is indicating Target credit card login. Click on this option right over here, and this will take you directly to the login portal of credit card. Now in this page, enter the correct form of your username in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. And also check this box of Save Username if you would like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your username for the future logins. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or the password, you can click on this Forgot Your Username or the Password link in order to successfully retrieve or reset your credentials. Now after entering the correct form of your username in the first and the second field, click on the sign in button highlighted in red color in order to successfully log into your Target credit card account. And for the activation process, you need to go ahead and click on Manage My Target Circle credit card and follow the on-screen instructions. And then you can manage your card PIN, add or manage the card holder, set card alerts, enroll in paperless credit card statements, make and schedule credit card payments as well. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.